Hello my darlings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. This is a little surprise vloggy because we have got a very exciting trip happening next week and I wanted to come on and give you a little bit of a heads up about what is going on. So we have kept this trip a little bit under wraps and we've been planning it for a little while. It's finally here and oh my goodness, I can't believe it's here. So we will leave in a week's time, which is crazy, but where are we going? Well, we are off to Tokyo. I can't quite believe I am saying that. We are going to Japan. It is going to be an insane trip. We have various different things planned for the duration, so it's going to be wild. I think it's going to be probably the most overwhelming trip. It's going to be crazy, but it's going to be so much fun. I have been spending all of my time watching YouTube and TikToks about Japan. I still feel like I know nothing. So if any of you have been to Japan already, then please give me some tips because we could really use some. But it's just going to be this whirlwind, crazy, exciting trip and I really cannot wait. I can't believe it's getting closer and closer now and we are almost at the time. So some of you may know that I am a little bit of a Disney girly. We were in Paris just last month and we are going to the Disneyland in Tokyo, which I just cannot believe I'm even saying that. We are going to be able to have a few days there, which is going to be incredible. We're also going to the Universal Studios over there. So the last time I went to Universal Studios was when I went over to Florida, which was years ago now. So that's going to be really, really exciting. So we've got a couple of sort of big things planned and then we've got days where we're able to explore both Tokyo and Osaka as well. One of the things I'm most looking forward to is 7-Eleven. I can't believe I'm saying that, but the food and the drink in 7-Eleven looks crazy. And then the food out there is going to be just incredible. I cannot wait to go to the markets. I can't wait to experience all the food out there. It's definitely going to be a bit of a foodie holiday. Then we've obviously got the Disney and the Universal, which is going to be incredible. And then we've got lots of exploring to do. We're really excited. There's a few things we want to tick off the list. But mainly we just want to get out there and explore. It's going to be so much fun. It's going to be completely different to anything that either of us have done before. So it's just going to be this incredible journey. I'm so excited. Can't wait to get out there. Can't believe I've kind of been keeping this a bit of a secret. It's one of those where I think sometimes with these big trips you kind of want to keep them under wraps and things can always change. We've had multiple crazy things happen with flights. So you kind of always want to keep these things under wraps or on the down low until you know they're kind of right there in the pipeline. So in terms of vlog, it's going to be really fun because we're going to vlog every single day. So there's going to be lots and lots of Japan videos coming. I think we'll probably do like a travel video and then we'll do each day in Japan and then potentially a coming home vlog as well. So there's going to be loads of Japan content coming. I am absolutely loving vlogging. It's been so much fun. We've probably done about 7 videos now, 6 or 7 videos. So we're still very much getting used to it, but I'm loving it. I love doing the videos, love making them. And then I love editing them and watching them back and then posting them. For example, with Disneyland Paris, it's just been amazing being able to watch everything back. I've watched the vlogs quite a few times now. Obviously, it was a very special trip. We got engaged at Disneyland Paris, so watching those back has been truly, truly special. And I'm really excited to be able to have that privilege again when we go over to Japan, about being able to video it all and then be able to watch it back. It's really special, it's really fun, and hopefully some of you might want to watch what we get up to as well. If Japan is on your bucket list, or if you've been and you're missing it, then you might want to tune into our videos and see what we get up to. Very excited. I cannot believe it is now just around the corner. I feel like there is not much time now between sort of now and us leaving, which is crazy. It's going to be brilliant. So with that being said, we have got a long travel day incoming, and there is a brand in particular that I really wanted to give a bit of a shout out to and do a little unboxing for, because I have got a really stunning loungewear set that I'm going to be wearing for travel day. I really wanted something that is going to be comfortable, because I'm probably going to be having naps on the plane, potentially a nap in the airport. There is going to be a long day ahead. So there is a special loungewear set, and I just really wanted something that was still quite chic, but that was going to be super comfortable for that length of travel. Our travel day ends up spanning like across 2 different days. It's going to be a lot. So I think on the plane, it's the one place where you just want to be comfortable. You just want to feel like you're in your pajamas, but you're still out in public and around people. So I still want to look chic. So I'm really excited. I'm going to do a little unboxing. I'm probably going to do it the other way around. So it might look slightly different in this video, but let's get into a little unboxing. Okay, so unboxing incoming. We have a gorgeous box. I'm gonna try and unbox this, but we're quite tight on space here, so let me see what I can do. How gorgeous is this packaging? Look at this. Everything comes so beautifully boxed. It's so premium and so gorgeous. Oh my goodness me. So we have 2 little packages inside, 3 little packages inside. So let's have a look. So first up is the trousers. Let me see which way round. There we are, this way round. So it's going to be quite hard to show full length, but these are the trousers. There's beautiful branding again, and it has this gorgeous tartan down the side of the leg. So these are kind of wide leg trousers, really nice, comfortable stretch waistband, pockets, perfect for the airport. So these are the trousers, and then they feel so thick and they're really cozy inside, like really nice fleece lining, which is lovely. Then I will show you the top. Everything comes beautifully packaged. And then this is the quarter zip. Again, same little tartan down the sleeve. Oh my gosh, this feels so lovely. And oh my gosh, I love the back. So the back says, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but it says "wear the difference," which is stunning. That's really, really beautiful. Again, lots of gorgeous branding on the front. I love that this is really subtle branding. So although you've got the branding on there, it's really nicely subtle. It's such a beautiful piece. This is going to be so perfect. I'm so pleased with it. And then there is one more piece in here as well. We have a little pouch, and in here, Oh my goodness, it's one of the bracelets. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this. So, hopefully you can see. I've seen they actually have a few different colours of these on the website. So this one is the white, sort of pearly. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, there we have it. A stunning, beautiful bracelet. Absolutely adore that. And then the gorgeous little loungewear set. So I've gone for the stone, but there is also a really beautiful green as well. And I need to give this a little try on, and then I can pop some pictures, probably on my social media, so that you can see. But wow, that is an incredible set. Very, very excited. So there we have it, a beautiful loungewear set. I am very, very excited for those beautiful pieces. I wonder if I can show them again actually. Just the detailing on here is just beautiful. Very, very excited. So next couple of videos we have our final Disneyland Paris vlog going live. It is then Badminton Horse Trials week, so the next video after our Disney vlog will be the Badminton Horse Trials vlog. We are going on cross country day. It is going to be a super duper exciting vlog. We will take you shopping, we will take you around the course. It's going to be a great start to the show season. So make sure you tune in. If you're not subscribing, I would love it if you could subscribe if you wanted to. That would be amazing. And we will see you very soon coming from Japan.